Okay, we're parked now in Geneva. We're at Walmart in Geneva here, waiting to see, waiting for the balloon to pop and start coming back down. So far, tracking is going well. We're hour and 20 minutes ish into the into tracking, and everything's everything's good so far. So we're at about 62. Here, we'll switch this around. 62,000 feet, 63 miles per hour. We're at negative 19 outside the package, 31 degrees inside. Onboard processor's running at 101 degrees, and the battery's still at 12 volts. So it took a little loop and came back the other direction. So now we're waiting to see when the balloon bursts. I expect it to burst sometime between like 1:45 and 2 o'clock. When it should be at about 88,000 feet is kind of what I'm expecting. So when it gets to about 88,000, somewhere in around that mark, the balloon should pop. Then we should start to see the altitude drop, indicating that it's coming down. It should initially is going to come down real fast because there's no atmosphere really to fill the parachute. But then once it gets into the lower atmosphere, it'll start to slow down. So I got another this tracker.habhub.org is another tracking website that I use. Where'd my line go? Cool thing about this website is it actually will predict the landing based on the signals it's received so far. So you'll see, let's zoom this out here. So here's that's the balloon now, and this is the path that it should take. It's going to come up here, make this weird little loop around, come back down, and come up here. So I'm about here right now, which that line actually just recently dropped a little lower. So I'm going to keep kind of following this prediction and try to stay with it. So I'm a little far away from the prediction now. I was pretty much right. The Walmart in Geneva was pretty much the predicted landing, but I like this prediction better. That one's kind of nicer. Fewer people around that area. So we're gonna follow along with that, and we still got a ways to go before it comes down, but we should see a burst here in the next, probably in the next half an hour. We should see it pop and start to come back down. So, but at the moment, everything's going well. Everything's tracking, and we'll see. I'll see if we can find this. All right, that's all for now.